1, 2, 3. It's time for Tidbit Tuesday. It's alright. I'm feeling a little bit sick. Ashley is currently experiencing altitude sickness, as am I a little bit. In real time, we are in Cusco, Peru.
It is amazing here, and we cannot wait to get out and about. But we've been down and out for the last
week.
Couple days. So Josh has been sick, working really hard for what today's topic is.
Today's topic is all about my editing course that I've been working on for really the past few months, although the bulk of it has been the last month or so.
Yeah. So don't click away, like it won't be a boring video. But
No, not at all.
Something we're really excited about and want to share with you.
Yeah, these videos from Peru will be coming in a few weeks. We're super excited to share them for you. Of course, first comes Brazil videos. So enjoy those first, then Peru. And now we're on to the topic of what this video is about, my editing course. I have been working on this for months now.
Yeah. Why did you want to do an editing course?
Well, okay, so here's the deal. This video is not very well planned, so this is Tidbit Tuesday, everybody.
Yeah.
Basically, I've been editing off and on for the past 20 years. I know I don't look it, but I started young. I've been making videos for a very long time, and at least 10, probably closer to 15 of those years has been on Final Cut, which is an editing program that is available only for Mac, but I had access to Mac for a very long time, so I've been using that almost exclusively. I've made a lot of short films. I've helped produce some films as well, and really, I'm slightly above advanced on the Final Cut experience scale. I would not consider myself a professional at all, but I kind of know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
And I edit these travel videos for like the last 3 years straight, and I thought, you know what? Enough people have asked me about like how I do this or whatever that it would be a good idea to share it. In the past, I had tried to make courses about this, and like 5 to 10 years ago, I was actually making training materials for Final Cut, but I didn't have anyone to share it with, so no one ever saw it.
So when we first started our videos, I actually started making our videos for our YouTube channel, and I was using iMovie, which is fairly simple for those who don't know what they're doing.
And it's actually really good.
It comes with your Mac when you purchase it for free. Yeah, so we realized that some of you, may have that, but those who want to step it up a notch, Final Cut's where you would go next. And after we kind of got more serious about our editing and stuff, I started doing all the assembly in Final Cut, and Josh was my teacher. Yeah. Josh is a very good teacher. I'm a terrible student.
That is true. So the idea with the editing course that I've made is basically, even if you haven't touched an editing program before, even if you haven't used iMovie, but you want to make really good videos, they don't have to be travel videos, but if you want to make really good videos, I'm going to show you how Final Cut works. So basically, in the course, I break it down so that you open the program, you see a bunch of stuff, you're like, what is going on here? And I just really simply break it down, and I teach you all the basics that you need to know. I'm not going to teach you all the extra things, like what does every little button do? I'm not going to do that.
So it's not specifically for those who are well-versed in Final Cut.
It is for beginners. Yeah. By the end, you will be able to make a great video, but it comes with practice. So you're going to have all the tools that you need to be able to make great videos, but you are going to have to practice. I mean, our videos have arguably gotten better over time as I've figured out how to do stuff.
Yeah, and I think that Josh added like a bundle option where you can get bundled in where he checks out your video and gives you like
direct feedback,
advice and feedback, which I think is really, really cool, because not only are you learning by yourself at first through the videos, but then you have a way to directly get feedback about those videos, which is really neat.
But everyone who purchases the course is going to have access to a forum, so that everyone who's working in the course together can chat with each other. So you're able to get feedback from other students and that sort of thing. Unfortunately, I have just a lot of work to do, so I had to charge for the video review, just because that takes probably a good hour, because I need to watch it, I need to provide feedback on it, and it's going to be, a critique basically of your video, like, hey, this is great, you could work on this by doing this, that sort of thing.
We know that YouTube is not going to be our main source of income long term, and so something like this is kind of a way of us testing the waters and seeing how we do and how it could work out potentially in the future doing different courses and working along with you guys.
Maybe I make an iMovie course at some point for the people who don't want to chill out for Final Cut. Actually, Final Cut in the grand scheme of things is not expensive for an editing program. I think it's $299, but then you kind of own it. Other programs like Premiere, you kind of have to rent them. And Premiere is great. I personally prefer Final Cut. And one of the questions that we actually had asked a lot is like, do you need Final Cut to do this course? You don't need it, but if I'm honest, I would not recommend getting this course if you're planning to use a different editing program.
Yeah, and they're all very different.
Yeah, just because as much as I am going to teach a lot of the broad stuff, it is based in Final Cut, and that's a big chunk of it. So, yeah.
So if you're interested in the training, will it be linked down below?
Yes, we'll have a link in the description down below and a link in the comment section. And if you're interested in learning to do Final Cut, you can sign up there. It's pre-sales right now. The video course, the training will be available in late December.
Yeah.
Gonna launch it for everybody, but pre-sales are out now. And the thing with the pre-sales is that it's a big discount over what it's actually going to cost come December. So it's as of right now, it's essentially half off.
Even if you're just interested in what's in the course and stuff, you can go to that link, and Josh has put on the website just a direct itinerary, I guess, of what you can expect. So go and check that out.
Is it called a transcript? What's the word?
I don't know.
Curriculum.
Curriculum.
A course curriculum.
There you go. Itinerary. I am the travel person who plans everything, so an itinerary would be what I use.
There's a course curriculum there.
Yeah.
As well as a fancy website, which I don't mean to toot my own horn, but I've been sick, very sick for the past week, and I have been working non-stop on that. And I'm still sick, but I'm really, really proud of myself.
Yeah.
I feel very accomplished, if not very ill.
So yeah, I think that's Tidbit Tuesday. We just wanted to share with you guys because really, like, we haven't done a lot of promotion of this. We haven't shared a lot about what Josh has been working on. And
that has literally consumed my last week.
Yeah.
I've done nothing but that the whole last week.
Yeah, so yeah, check it out. Let us know what you guys think. Let us know of different training courses you're interested in the future, and maybe we can create some of those for you guys.
Yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed this Tidbit Tuesday, and we'll see you in the next video. Our next video is when we go from London to Brazil, so don't miss that one because we talk about visas and the best way you can get visas while traveling overseas.
All right.
Goodbye, Wave Fam.
Bye. Happy Tidbit Tuesday.
See ya.